So here are few commands to know what we used in the procedure to build a game. Okay, in this few commands we already learned in our previous classes like CS, FD, LT, pen up, pen down, and set pen size, pen color. So these commands we know already. But other commands like set flat color and label font, set XY, char, pixels, bit blocks, if else. So these commands we not yet covered, but we are using in the procedure what we are going to create a game. Okay, so see, set font label command. So it is used to change the writing of the font. Okay, to change the style of the font. And label command is used to write in the drawing area. So in the drawing area to write something we can able to use this label command. And set XY command is used to position the turtle at the location. So in X and Y angle where we want to set the turtle, by using this set XY command we can able to set it. Okay. Now we are going to see the first instruction screen. So by creating a procedure, my game. So this is the main procedure, that is the instruction screen. Okay, so by using this procedure, by using set font label and also by using set flat color, pen up, pen down, here the instruction screen is designed. So by giving the name of the game obstacle race and along with the instruction that what is the rule and aim of the game, it is also clearly defined in the instruction screen. So while you press S key in the keyboard, okay, the game has to be started. Okay, it is moved to the next procedure. It will link to the next procedure. Okay, so it will design to the background one level. Okay, so that is the next procedure. So this is the instruction screen and this is the first level of the game. And the next one is second level, second step. It is level 1 background. So here we are going to set the background color spots. Okay, so where the color squares to be appeared and where the safest area. So this is all designed in the second step. So in this the procedure is named as back.ground1. Okay, so in this the set XY command is used. It is used to position the turtle where the object to be displayed, and also bit block command is used to build a rectangular shape, and a set flat color is also used to color the rectangle shape. So to fill the shape color, rectangular shape color, we use set flat color command also. And also to change the position of the object, random command is also used in this procedure. Okay, so random command is used to change the position of the object. So from the value 30 to 0 to 30, it can changes the position where it want to appear. And also the safe area is in the black rectangular mode. Okay, so bit block is used to draw rectangular shape, and set flat color is used to color that shape. So these are the commands used to set the second level. So this is the second level stage. Okay, so here you can see 4 squares. In that the black color is the safe area, and our turtle also is standing in the position to move. Okay, so this is our second level.